All right. This is December 15th. Trades I took today. Um, Make it a little bit smaller so you can see. Post it here. So, a quick abstract of the recording. So, just watching this 2-day balance, and right at this 2-day balance high, I saw that overnight we've been seeing some activity. Sellers defending it. Sellers defending it. Market open. I want to see how we react when we test the balance high. So, like I said, currently 2-day balance. I'm currently on Sim. Yes, I am trading on Sim because there's no point of me keep buying evaluation account on different prop firms, and I just can't even master myself, my own emotion, my own trading skill, whatever it is. So, what's the point? It's gonna keep losing blindly like this. So, trading much better, obviously. Sim is the same as Eval's account, but yeah, they're basically the same. They're basically fake money, just numbers on the screen. But my mind just focus on the payouts, right? Passing them, etc., etc. Like my account balance. This shows that there is a gap between sim and real money. Like this guy said on his Jay say on his Twitter post, X post. So overnight high, it's balance high. Definitely a level to watch at open. First trade was a clean trade, but didn't get the scales I want. Yeah, I was expecting a little lower, like looking new low, etc. Didn't get the scale I want. Shorted the balance high, and VWAP lack of selling. Second trade was a bad decision, and I'll just explain why first, and then we'll dive into the Dom recording. It was a bad decision because we were compressing. So we tested it once, twice, 3 times, and this time we found lack of selling under VWAP, strongly push above it. We broke the previous high, like how I could draw here. We broke the previous high, and that's not the point. We break the previous high, seller stepped in, and we form a higher low. And what happened after the higher low? We didn't grind down lower with a lower high. No, higher low. We break another high from the previous high, right? Previous pivot high, we break above that, and we've at that point it's just an acceptance, the distance acceptance. There's time acceptance and distance acceptance. We tested it 3 times here. We broke a bit, we broke above it again, and we pull back higher low, and then we break another one above that previous high. Like I said, each prior high being taken out, acceptance, and yeah, bad trade, took a stop. Third trade, I'm glad that I kept the bigger picture in mind. I switched my stance from being short at balance high to being long. Nice selling shut off at balance high. This is where it is key. This is where it is key. The important part of the post. So I long here after I seeing this fail here, like one selling here. Buyers push it up, retest, break another low, lack of selling. I'm like, okay, this is bullish. Push up, waited for, I said I want to wait for retest. Waited for the retest, we bounce along it. And then scale here out. And then this is where it's key here. I got stop out and I remained calm and focused. There was no emotional factor there to cloud my judgment. I simply focused onto the next trade. Here, like if I was trading real money or evals, let's just say evals. If my trade would have took this long, like I long it here, push up, push down, push up, push down here, and then we broke above it, missed my scale by like 2 points, and instantly push down, and I stop out right here, red on a day now, I'll be pissed. I'll be pissed, and then that will lead to tilt trading and blow up. Instead, what I did was trading on sim, right? That's the good part, right? It tells you like the psychological side of you is really important in trading. So for trade, once again, selling shut off right at that balance high. So I instant long it. This trade, I was able to hold to my target scales like my plan without any anxiety or fear through pullback. So look, we push all the way up here, right? Like this instant push up. We broke another new high here and fail. This pullback here would, like, if I was in eval and I'm red on the day, this pullback here, I would have got stopped out. I would have got scared. But no, just no anxiety, no fear, just watching it, observing the price action. And yeah, just wanted to share this to everyone. The psychology side does effing matters. I was able to care less and manage my losses without affecting my mental state. And if I was trading evals or real money, those first couple of trades kept coming back and stopping me out would have made me tilt. And then that leads to blowing up accounts. But no, I remain calm by removing all of these factors. So here I got stop out. I did not worry about getting stop out. I didn't worry about the losses, anything at all. I just didn't care at all. I just simply focused on executing the trade. Just got stop out. I saw selling fail, buying come back in along it. So alright, that little rent right there. Let's watch this first trade. Let's watch this first trade here. Okay. So right now we're testing the 2-day balance high. Bunch of buyer here, 77, 84, 88 to buy. You can see here the tape gets a little messy, but you can just see the buyers trying so hard at this balance high. And then according to the overnight action, that balance high, there's a seller there. 40 something to buy again, 50 to buy, pushing up higher. Sellers also matching it. We broke another high. You can see that action right there. You can see that behavior of the price action. Break new high, instantly sellers push it down. They tried it again and instantly push it down. Back to these 15, 25 to 25 to buy over there and fail. 30 to buy, 38 to buy. You can see across all these ticks how much buying just keeps coming in. 50, 40, 55, 48. Saw sellers matching it as well. 70 something to buy. So we just keep buying it, right? I'm like, okay, so yeah, sellers are definitely sitting here. Maybe I entered a little bit too immature, but it wasn't that bad. The risk reward was there. And I saw that selling here. If we can get below it, an offer will be nice. And yeah, this trade I did get my I scale at a VMob. Yeah, but yeah. And then this one just come and stop me out. So far we're holding above it, and right now we're retesting, right? The second trade, which is this here. Hold on 1 second. Just focusing on the DOM at this point. Nice little kick up there, right? Nice little kick up. So this point, we broke the previous high right here. Sellers came in, but we higher low. Saw a nice kick there. Buyers trying, but retest didn't get much volume, but nice try. Nice buying there again, and the sellers instantly sell. I joined too late. I could have shorted here. Waited a little bit. Waited a tad a bit long. Yeah. 21. Yeah, somewhere there could be enter, but Restore wasn't there on this trade. And this thing just came back, hold higher low, right? And then just rip. This taught me out. But yeah, that's the second trade. Trade could have been avoided, even though it was a nice kick up, but we just so many like based on the context, we are just bidding above this 2-day balance too many times, finding acceptance above it, just especially that last push up breaking the prior high with a higher low, and then we broke another like that higher low, and then we break another high. Yeah, no point to be bear. So this is the third trade where I long on the retest. So a little bit like, let's just watch how we reacted on this 06.5, which is the market open sellers there, and I saw that that level like is being respected, so I just had it on, left it on, tested it multiple times. You see that couple selling lacks, like selling is starting to shut off here, instantly bounce, found buying. Could tell instantly bounce again. Then here, what I'm still watching for a break of the low. Need to wait for a retest. So we pushed up right now. Waiting for a retest. Now we're coming back for the retest, right? Always wait for a retest. More often than not, the NQ will come back, retest, and give you another entry. No point of chasing it. One pullback will stop you out, even though your trade is like your trade thesis is good. Decent selling there around 10. Decent selling. Buyers bids are kind of pulling now. You can see sellers are selling lower. No point of bidding anything yet. No point of longing. Let's see how we break these 05. Right now, at this point, I think it was a lower high, so I don't want to long at all unless I see my setup. Right, I see these 0525 break there, another break there, instantly push up. It kind of lagged there. I have no clue why, but can clearly see break these 05. I want to see continuation down, right? If it's a bear, I want to see continuation down. No, we even though we lag, but printed all these, and you can see the action. Instantly bounce. That's barely any selling. Instantly bounce. I'm like, okay, that is interesting. With the current context on the day, that is really interesting here. I'm not paying attention here. Don't worry, just worry about the Dom. Eyes on Dom. But yeah, these 07 still holding above it. You can see buyers try, sellers try here, instantly bounce. Okay, I like it. If we can get back above this CVA, now we're pushing. Sellers trying it again. See that selling there. Seems like the last few over there. Not selling, just completely shut off. Let's see. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Tested so many times from sellers just holding it. What's the point of shorting here? It doesn't sound right? When we're above it, and we're trying to short the balance high. Okay, buying starting to come in now. I'm like, okay. Long could have been there. A couple tests failed. This one failed to break lower. Could have long around these 9, 10, but no, didn't. The trade could have go without me, right? I like this setup. So I'm like, okay, I'll wait for a pullback. Let's see, we pull back, I think pull back to 12-ish, and then we bounce instantly. One to sell, 5 to sell, instantly bounce like that. Okay, I like this action here. long 17, and I put my stop like 11.5, 12. Yeah, I have the volume on. I even said like, oh yeah, let me try here, just see the lack of selling. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm explaining that I'm holding above it. No point of worrying. It's lack of selling. Still chilling here and not much going on. And then here, yeah, trade kind of work out. Blah, 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 blah. Come back down, retest it a lot of times because that's right at overnight high too. But yeah, this trade just give me the scale and then stop me out. But yeah, third trade. Okay, fourth trade over here, which is the winner of the day. So right now, strong selling back down now. Let's watch it. Strong selling into it. Nice little push down there. Buying coming in here. 1340 to buy. I want to see sellers coming in here. Seller fail. I'm along it. 27 to buy. Sellers failing here. I want to see buyer pushing higher. Right, long right there, I think. Stop loss right below there. Not too worried. This trade just instantly work in my favor. Let's just rewatch that real quick. That's really important. Right? Strong selling. It took like 2 minutes to sell all the way back down. And which is what I would usually look for, a retest. That balance high for that one last time from seller. One last fearsome seller. If they fail this time, they're screwed. It's gonna be squeezing. Okay. Nice selling coming in. Aggression. Nice impulse low right there. Buying coming in. Lack of selling 312 to sell at low. I like to see that. Exhaustion, right? Possibly be an exhaustion. 5 to print that last few from seller there. Right, buying coming in here now. Clear the dom. It could also be a fail to push back up as well. So I'm just a little bit more cautious. So it could go both sides. 30 to buy again, 14. Saw that buying coming in, I just long it. Yeah, never tested those 5. Never tested them. And then this trade just right, miss my oh yeah, I got my scales out, I'm pretty sure here. Yep, here I got my sell. And then what made me hold the trade better is like actually seeing these exhaustion at lows. You can see the exhaustion at low. Every time we push down by sellers, like all those pullback, here most of the time there's exhaustion and then we just instant bounce. You can see that price action of buyers coming in, piling in, instantly bounce. And that's what I like to see. Oh, someone texted me. Right? Look at these exhaustion out low. You can just see imbalance keeps coming in. Buyers buy higher now. I can't really see my scale. And then here, pull back. Nice strong selling pullback here. Instantly bounce. Look. hold, break below it, close above it. I'm like, yeah, this is bullish. Look at this. That selling instantly got covered by buying. I'm like, okay, this can rally higher. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, look, these exhaustion candle. More exhaustion, not to worry. And right now I'm just on my phone and waiting for it to hit the fib level, which it did. Right. And here I'm just explaining the trades again. I don't know why, but yeah, I did. And then I was like, okay, I want a bid above these 43 or I'm out. And yeah, sold into it 15, 18, 17, 1x. Just you can see the instant buying. Instant buying. Right? All I see is just buying coming in higher and higher. But I think I got my 53. I think I did get my scale here, or I might not. Yeah, I got my scale here, and then last one I just I think got 30 point last one. But yeah, those are the trades for today. Really, really important in my opinion. Maybe just hear what I say here if we can pull the audio up. Some reason it's not working. Tested this so many times, don't really like it. Nice lack of selling here. Push up higher. Yeah. Decent. Oh, I got my last scale like GG's. 40 point. Hodge. Be a nice scalp. Tested this so many times, don't really like it. Nice lack of selling here. Push up higher. Wait, we break above this previous high. Come back. Seller. That's all seller did. Right, starting to compress. Break high. Okay, higher low. Then we come and break another high. Just no point of shorting anymore. And that was the high we held, and then we rally. So right now I switch my stance. I know that we found acceptance, distance acceptance, time acceptance as well. Saw strong selling, came in buyer. Waited for it, pushed up, waited for another sell, see if sellers are strong. I thought that was a lower high, but it wasn't. Push back down. Another lack of selling, instant push up, waiting for a retest, gamey, long. And this retest wasn't that nice, but it gave me done the job, right? The job was done with it. 17 stop loss, like almost 7, like almost right at the low here, somewhere here. If I never moved my stop, I would have made the stop out. But this one tested the high, quick 2 minutes selling back down. Can clearly see sellers lack of continuation selling. Here we sellers shut off. Another sweep below it with strong sell. Buyer step in. That is true. Like I said that. Look, I forgot to mention this. Overnight high, hold. Nice little sweep of this hold over here into that into that balance high. Nice rip up. Then no continuation down. Start pushing up along it. Right along it. Then just yeah, that's it for today. Hope everyone have a good weekend. GG's.